Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can do data carving or file carving using this tool HXT. So this is the look and feel of HXT. So this will actually read the file formats. So let me go to desktop. If you remember for stack hide, we were able to hide TXT file into download, etc. Let us see this. If you can drag. For JPG file, the number which you have to understand, the data carving starts from here, right? So this is the number you have to remember. FFD8, FFDO. So this is where, so if you're going for PNG files, that's a different story, right? So you have one more file. So that is the PNG format, right? Let me extract, drag and drop this. Okay. So the format here changes. So it is 89, 50, 4E and 47. So this is where we can easily identify .png, similar kind with JPG. Let's see one more example. Let us download one JPG from online. So just now I've downloaded one more image, that is this one, 1920 esampler.jpg. If I extract this, you should also see the same format. See, FF, D8 and FF. So this is one of the ways to file carving. So every image will have its own signature. So this is one signature which we can find out. So similar kind of things with JPG, similar kind of things with PNG, we can easily identify. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe to the guys. Take care. Have a great day. Goodbye.